Let's learn how to convert whole numbers in base 8 to base 10. Example, convert 111 base 8 to base 10. Let's solve. Solution. We have 111 base 8. The first step is to number the digits starting from the back. From 0, 0, 1, 2. Now we simplify. This becomes equal to, you pick the first digit, 1, multiply by the base, 8, raised to the power of the numbering, 2, plus the next digit, 1, multiplied by the base, 8, raised to the power of the numbering, 1, plus the next digit, 1, multiplied by the base, 8, raised to the power of 0. Let's simplify further. It becomes equal to 1 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2. That means 8 multiplying in 7 in 2 places. That is 8 times 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 1 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 means just 8. So we have 8 raised to the power of 1 as 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 0, 1. Because any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Equals 1 multiplied by 64, 64, plus 1 multiplied by 8, 8, plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Let's add. 64 plus 8, that gives us 72, plus 1, we have 73. So we have 73 base 10. And by doing this, we've converted 111 base 8 to 73 base 10. Thank you.